finally got my Lexan windows cut out, and these are the side windows. This one is this side. Excuse the mess. It's kind of messy in here, even after I clean it up. These lights going here. Okay, so this side is this window, and I have, let's put it in here. Sweet, perfect fit. Yep, perfect. All right, so here's what we got. Obviously, this is just the protection film. I have this cut out right here for the Intech right there, and I forgot what they're called. They are, well, it's a duct. I think that's how you say it. It's a duct for windows, pretty much. So basically, this is where it's going. I have the template or the hole cut out for this. I have all of the holes pre-drilled where it's gonna get rivets, as well as the top here. Probably could have put it closer, but it's all right, too late. And then it goes all the way around. That one goes there. It's pretty good. Like that. And then I have my rear window right here. Excuse the Blair Witch Project right now with the camera. And this rear one, I hope it fits. If not, I'm gonna have to shave it down a little bit. It goes in here, just like that. It's gonna be a tight fit. Might have to do a little shaving. Pretty good. Just a little shaving on the corner up top, and it'll fit just right. It also has all the rivet holes, and I have these holes cut out for the heat that's going to be built up inside from the headers and the engine. So they're pretty much, I need them there to keep the bay cool. And yep, so I have a faceplate made already for this. I'll show you guys once I put everything on, and it goes there. It looks pretty good too. Step back a little bit. Yeah. Yep. That's how it looks on the inside. Yeah. So all I need to do now is drill all of the holes for this, and the other side. Once I'm ready, I'll be able to put them on after I finished up everything on the inside. So yeah. Alright guys, so here's what I've done so far with the Lexan windows. I've put in rivnets all around the holes I drilled, and I've also added some foam so that when I put it on, I don't scrape the black that I've painted on there, on the Lexan itself. So yeah, everything's in, it's good. And I've also built the firewall right here, and it's been put in. I just need to seal up some holes so it keeps the air from the fumes from the engine from going to the cabin. And I also have my Lexan up here. Step back a little bit. Have my Lexan right there all set up too, so that I can still see through the back. Everything's pretty much ready to go for the windows. This one, the back, I didn't want to put it in yet until I've completed the motor stuff, where I don't have to remove anything from the back. I mean, I could access everything easily right here, but you know, the headers and stuff, it's just easier doing it from the back if I'm doing it by myself. So yeah, everything's in. Wires are cleaned up, taped up. I think these N600s have this problem where this gas tank lid always comes out. I don't know, it always comes out by itself. I push it in and then it doesn't close all the way. And then when I come back, it's like that. I don't know. And then I need to complete the alignment and hopefully go for a test drive soon. So we're gonna fast forward a little bit, and I've got my carpet kind of in place. It looks like a mess because I just kind of put it in. So everything's kind of in where it should be. It looks ugly right now, but when you put the seats on top of it, you're not gonna see all that. The shift right there, I'm gonna put the carpet, unbolt that, put the carpet under. That dash still looks good. Everything is good here. Carpet's in, firewall's in. Front, I've cleaned up all my mess up here. Everything's good. Fans all hooked up. It works. At least straight direct power, the fans work. I have my fans hooked up to the temp sensor on the coolant outlet over there in the back on the motor. And yeah, so hopefully to kick on the fans. And I got the fenders on as well, so they look pretty good. So yeah, the wheels stick out a little bit, which is totally fine because I'm gonna have flares up front and flares in the back. This is probably like EDAW. Yep, EDAW. So everything's good. Fenders on this side as well. Here is my to-do list. It was pretty long, like 2 weeks ago, but I've done pretty much everything already. That. All I need, install the bumper, bleed the brakes again because I had forgot to put the brake pads in, and then fab install intake is left. Set fuel pressure, I already did that one. but I'm gonna double check it when I have the car running. Check alignments, what I'm in the process of doing. Install Lexan rear window, install side Lexan windows, buy new brake switch, install seats, tune, and enjoy. Yep. Oh, right. And fender flares and paint them. But yeah, so there's only like one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 things left to do. And we're gonna have a cool running, driving car if these stupid alignment works. Because I don't think there's any alignment shops that are gonna wanna mess with this setup right here. I don't think they wanna mess with this offset. So we're gonna probably have to do the string alignment on here. So yeah, not looking forward to it, but it's gonna have to be done. And that's it for today, guys. That's just a little update on what I've done to the car. We're pretty close to driving it already. So it's just these little things left to do. Put in the seats. I'm gonna leave the doors off for till I'm done with, you know, the engine work and stuff like that, and driving, make sure everything's good, because it's a pain in the ass to go inside the car looking like with these bars in the way, because I'm kind of big. So that's it, and I will get back to you guys soon with a test drive, hopefully, and hopefully everything goes good. But thanks for checking it out, guys. Check you guys out next time.